2003 Kia Spectra, and I'm trying to find out parasitic battery loss. You can see the light. It's kind of hard to see. The light is on my test light, and basically I pulled all the fuses and everything, and what I've come to the conclusion is, see if I can get this in the picture here. The battery connector that goes to the alternator there, if I go ahead and disconnect it, the light goes out. I have no more light on my test light. So basically that's where my loss is. I believe it's a, I got a bad diode, so I'm gonna have to change this alternator out, then I'll test it again. Thank you.